don't you hate it when your middle spray arm on your Samsung dishwasher just falls off and it doesn't want to go back into place? It just seems like it's always a pain in the butt. This was the second time this happened to me, so follow these simple instructions to get yours back into place. Basically, I'm going to mount it back the way that it goes, and I'm going to take 2 zip ties on the backhand side, and we're just going to make an X with those zip ties on the backhand side. I recommend doing one side first, and we're going to end up making an X, but do one side first, and then do the one in the middle of the dishwasher here, where the spray arm connects in the center of the rack. Do that one next, and just wrap it around like the base, and then just wrap it up through the metal part, as you can see here, exactly where it goes. That way you get it all nice and tight. And then we're going to do the other side of the X towards the back. If you guys want to buy a new sprayer arm, I'll put a link down in the description below. You go to partselect.com and get your new sprayer arm. But if you want to use this zip tie method, it is going to be a time and money saver. So what better way to use your resources than to just use a few zip ties to get this thing sitting back where it needs to be. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you get some flush cuts. Cut the ends of those off so the little end of the zip tie doesn't hit the sprayer arm. Just do it in the front and the back. Make sure you get that other X going. As you can see here, we want to get that nice and secured, and it really actually ended up doing really well. Just make sure you line up that middle of that spray arm so it actually goes to the back of the dishwasher and goes exactly where it needs to go into place. So it doesn't need to be to the left or to the right. It needs to be right in the middle, as you can see, just exactly how I had it. But there we go. That's all that there is to it. If you're worried the plastic zip ties might deteriorate, Samsung support actually came out. They took the middle rack out and they put zip ties in place and never came back to fix it. And they've been in there for about 2 to 3 years and never really had an issue. So good luck, subscribe. Thanks, bye.